everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a crucial piece of gear for any audio setup, the 1FT right angle XLR female to 1.4 TRS female audio adapter cable. This isn't just any adapter. It's a high-end 6.35 female to right angle 3-pin XLR female cable, designed with precision for demanding audio environments. One of the most striking features is its right-angle design. This thoughtful engineering is incredibly practical, especially in confined spaces or when aiming for a tidy setup. It significantly reduces strain on your equipment's ports, preventing accidental disconnections and minimizing the risk of cable damage over time. Imagine connecting to a mixer, audio player, or power amplifier where every inch counts. This right-angle connector truly shines, ensuring a secure and unobtrusive connection. The high-end designation isn't just marketing. It speaks to the superior quality of construction and, more importantly, the pristine audio fidelity it delivers. This cable is engineered to provide a clean, uncompromised signal transfer, actively working to minimize interference and noise. For professionals and enthusiasts alike, maintaining signal integrity is paramount, ensuring that the sound produced is as pure as the source. It's built to ensure your adapter isn't the weak link in your audio chain. Durability is another key aspect. The connectors feel robust, and the sleek black cable itself is designed to withstand the rigors of frequent use, whether in a bustling studio, on a live stage, or within a home recording setup. The 1-foot length is also a deliberate choice, perfect for short runs between adjacent devices. This eliminates unnecessary cable clutter, a common frustration in many audio configurations, making it ideal for patching effects, connecting a microphone to a nearby interface, or linking components within a rack. Its versatility is a major advantage. As an XLR female to 1.4 TRS female adapter, it seamlessly bridges common audio connections, making it an indispensable tool. Whether you need to connect a microphone with an XLR output to a device with a 1.4 TRS input, or adapt other professional audio gear, this cable provides that essential link. It's a reliable problem solver for numerous audio compatibility challenges, ensuring smooth operation across various equipment like mixers, audio players, and power amplifiers. In summary, this 1FT right angle XLR female to 1.4 TRS female audio adapter cable is a high-quality, intelligently designed component that elevates both the functionality and aesthetics of your audio setup. Its right-angle connector, high-end construction, and optimal length make it a superior choice for anyone seeking reliable, clean, and efficient audio connections. It's a small but significant investment that promises to enhance your audio experience and contribute to the longevity of your valuable equipment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.